Hey guys, TJN here. Well, today it's just me, and as you can see, well, we're doing a batch file video today. And today, since this is the first video, I'm just going to show you the very basics of batch file writing. And for most of you that are watching this video, you probably know what a batch file is, but if you don't, here's how to make one. Just get a random text document, not text plus plus document, just a normal text document, name it whatever you want, or, you know, whatever you want, seriously. Then you press edit, go to file, save as, and now you write whatever you want, dot BAT. That stands for batch file, obviously. Then you change this to all files. You have to change it to all files, otherwise it's not going to work. Then you save it. There. Now I'm just going to close that and delete this text file. You don't have to, but you know, if you want to, then you can go ahead and delete it because it takes up space on your computer, and if you don't want that, then just delete it. So now you've got your batch file, and it looks like this, and it can be called whatever you want. When you open it, it's still going to say Notepad, but that's what you use to write it. Now, whenever you're writing something, unless you wanted to say echo before everything you say, always write at ECHO space OFF. That just means that, for instance, if I do this, then it's not going to say the echo. It's just going to run the command and say hello world. Okay, sorry. Somebody in here is being really annoying. And why will this not close?
Did you break my laptop?
No, it's a slow computer. Okay, so basically if you do on, then it's just going to say echo hello world. I'll show you that now. Somehow it's already 33 bytes. See, it does all that, and nobody wants that. It's dumb. Okay, so let's delete all of this. First of all, add echo off. Enter. Whenever you're running command, always do the enter, obviously. I'm sorry for you guys that already know it. Just X out of this video because it won't be very useful to you. But basically, if you want there to be the title of the command prompt when it opens, then you write title. And whoa, I spelled that wrong. And then how about Christmas? Your C doesn't work, man. Okay, so that'll make the title Christmas. And now also, you should write pause. Whoa. No, it's just going really slow. I have no idea why. Okay, so I'm sorry. There are people in the room that are being incredibly annoying right now. I'm so sorry. So yeah, that'll make the title Christmas, and then it'll just do nothing because I wrote pause. What that'll do is it'll write press any key to continue, ... and if you press any key while you're on the tab, then it'll just close it because there's nothing after the pause for the command to run.
It will?
Yes, Jake, it will.
Okay.
And so obviously you don't just want a command that does that. So you can do all sorts of stuff with batch files, like for instance, the start command. You can use this to, for example, how about, oh, this will be good. Okay, let's do something that I made a while ago called fake hack lol. but since this won't accept spaces inside of it, otherwise it'll just think I typed in fake. So I'm gonna change the name of fake hack lol, which is something I'm gonna show you later in another video, to just fake hack lol with no spaces. Same thing, but no spaces. See, I got that. So now, when you press X, of course it'll ask you to save. Make sure you save, otherwise it's not going to save. Captain Obvious. So, did you see what it did? It started Christmas, and press Enter to continue, and then it started this, which I'm going to show you later in another video about batch files. It'll be slightly more advanced, but yeah. As you can see, this does nothing, and it opens the fake hack lol. It's called Christmas, and then when you press something, it closes it because there's nothing after pause. But if you want it to do something after pause, then of course you just put something down here that says echo or whatever command you want it to run. So I'm going to go echo hello world. Hello everyone. Yeah, okay. Whoa. Seriously. Laptops. I'd recommend using a desktop for this sort of stuff. Anyway, then, of course, it would run that command, but it would just go like this. Just snap and close it immediately. You wouldn't even be able to read what it says. So you want to go pause. And if you run a command after that, like, for example, how about echo press A and enter to continue, and then I make an input command, which I'm not going to show you yet. Then I made an input command, for example. So I'll just do echo input command. This takes a little while, and I feel like I'm forgetting something, so I'm not going to show you this right now. But then it'll just pause, and you'll see all of that. It's not going to just go through all of them and close, but it'll go through all that and then stop. It'll say press any key to continue, and then it'll close like this. So yeah, I'd open this, press any key to continue. Seriously guys, don't do this with a laptop. Hello world, hello everyone. Press A and enter to continue input command. It just says that. I've got a bird in the room again. Well, I was trying to record earlier, but he kept talking, so. Alright. That's the end of this video, and it was slightly shorter than most of our others, surprisingly. Those are the basics of batch files, and I'll see you guys next time. Jelly Nation out.